The absolute best things to do in Cancun, Mexico. Number 1, Playa Forum. Starting our journey at the iconic Playa Forum, one of Cancun's most famous beaches. Just look at this pristine white sand and crystal clear turquoise water. This beach is right in the heart of the hotel zone, making it super accessible. Number 2, Scenic Tower. Next up is something truly unique, the Scenic Tower. This observation tower gives you a bird's eye view of Cancun that'll take your breath away. As we go up, you can see the tower slowly rotating, giving you a complete 360-degree view of the city. On one side, you've got the endless Caribbean Sea, and on the other, the beautiful Nizuc Lagoon. Trust me, these views are worth every penny. Number 3, water adventures at Punta Nizuc. Now, let's kick things up a notch. At Punta Nizuc, you can experience the ultimate water sports trifecta: jet skiing, speedboating, and snorkeling. The water is so clear it's like swimming in a natural aquarium. Number 4, Ferry to Isla Mujeres. Ready for an island adventure? Hop on the ferry to Isla Mujeres. The ride itself is part of the experience. Feel the ocean breeze and keep your camera ready for those amazing views of the coastline. Number 5, exploring Isla Mujeres. Welcome to Isla Mujeres. The downtown area is full of colorful streets, local markets, and amazing restaurants. The best way to explore this charming island is by golf cart. You can rent one right by the ferry terminal. Number 6. Playa Norte. This is Playa Norte, consistently rated one of the best beaches in the world. The shallow, calm waters make it perfect for swimming, and the sunset views here are absolutely magical. The water is so calm, it's like being in a natural swimming pool. Number 7. Punta Sur. We're at Punta Sur, the southernmost point of Isla Mujeres. This rugged coastline offers some of the most dramatic views in the entire region. Besides the amazing views, you'll find ancient Maya ruins and modern art installations. It's the perfect blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. The top 7 things you absolutely must do in Cancun. Each of these spots offers something unique, and together they create the perfect Cancun experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more travel adventures. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these spots you're most excited to visit.